Things are going crazy in the markets and for Pepe right now, so if you have any interest in Pepe or you hold any Pepe coins, then you need to see this. So what is the latest Pepe news? And how will all of this affect the value of Pepe? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the new price-boosting information that has just come out about Pepe coin, and how there is still a high possibility you could become a millionaire from Pepe. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch the entire video to not miss out on any price-boosting information. Welcome to Crypto Hype, your daily dose of crypto. If you are interested in everything around crypto, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the crypto news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with cryptocurrency news. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Pepe is doing on the 3rd of April, shall we? Pepe's price today is around 730 units. With 5 zeros, Pepe's price is down 4% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $817 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $3 billion, ranking it as the 40th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind, these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video, and this content is not financial advice. So let's not waste any time and get into it. Before we get to Pepe news, we must cover the biggest news stories in the general crypto market first. What Trump Liberation Day means for Bitcoin. Crypto markets. Major cryptos rose on Tuesday amid an uptick in investor sentiment that tariffs imposed by US President Donald Trump on his Liberation Day Wednesday would be less severe than anticipated. But analysts remain wary about a potential trade war's impact on markets. Bitcoin's price was recently trading at about $84,900, a more than 2.5% gain over the past 24 hours. According to data provider CoinGecko, the coin briefly touched over $85,000 for the first time since last week. Traders are buzzing over Trump's tariff chatter for April 2 and are leaning to the hint that there will be softer policies than expected. Sid Powell, CEO and co-founder of Maple, said in an email to Decrypt, noting that tariffs always shake things up. After weeks of tanking prices, any relief like this could spark FOMO and a quick bounce back for Bitcoin. He continued, but Powell added warily, risk assets like crypto might take a beating if tariffs end up boosting the dollar or slowing global growth. While volatility is a lock, tariffs always shake things up. And it's a wait-and-see moment for investors to know if their prediction of softer policies is correct. Bitcoin's rise comes as stocks and other risk-on assets have fluctuated in recent weeks, with investors largely fretting over Trump's erratic tariff pronouncements. The president, who has indicated repeatedly that he would apply sweeping measures on the US's major trading partners, on Tuesday, said he had settled on a plan. Markets seem to appreciate the likely resolution of an issue that has lingered. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. Also, keep watching to find out the latest Pepe coin news. Pepe could rally to double digits if it breaks above its key resistance level. Pepe meme coin approaches its descending trend line, trading around 700 units on Tuesday. A breakout indicates a bullish move ahead. Moreover, Pepe's long-to-short ratio supports a bullish thesis as bullish bets among the traders reach the highest over a month, aiming for double-digit gains on the horizon. Pepe price could rally if it closes above its descending trendline. Pepe's price faced a rejection around its descending trendline, drawn by connecting multiple high levels since early December, on March 27 and declined 18.43% until Sunday. This trendline roughly coincides with the 50-day EMA at around 800 units, making it a key resistance zone and breakout favoring the bulls. However, on Monday, at the start of this week, it recovered by nearly 4%. At the time of writing on Tuesday, it approaches its descending trendline. Assuming Pepe breaks above the descending trendline and closes above its 50-day EMA, this price action indicates a bullish outlook. Such a development could extend Pepe's rally by 25% from the 800 units level to retest its February 14 high of 1,000 units. The relative strength index on the daily chart reads 47, pointing upward toward its neutral level of 50, indicating fading bearish momentum. For the bullish momentum to be sustained, the RSI must move above its neutral level to support a recovery rally. Another thesis supporting Pepe's bullish outlook is CoinGlass's long-to-short ratio. The data for the frog theme-based meme coin reads 1.01, the highest level over a month. This ratio above 1 reflects bullish sentiment in the markets as more traders are betting for the asset price to rise. However, traders should exercise caution, as Lookin Chain data shows that a whale sold 438 billion Pepe tokens worth $3.03 million on Monday, incurring a $434,000 loss. This significant sell-off could increase downward pressure, potentially invalidating the bullish thesis and triggering a price decline for Pepe. Evaluating if $3.74 million whale action can spark a Pepe breakout. A fresh whale wallet just withdrew 492 billion Pepe tokens, worth approximately $3.74 million, from Binance. At press time, Pepe was trading at 5,734.1 units, posting a mild 0.34% increase over the past 24 hours. Despite this modest gain, the whale activity signals strong confidence in future price appreciation and likely long-term holding. Therefore, this strategic withdrawal may be setting the stage for a potential bullish reversal as technical and on-chain indicators begin to align. Are most Pepe holders underwater, or on-chain data shows that over 63% of Pepe holders are currently at a loss, while only 19.17% are in profit. Additionally, 17.15% of addresses are holding Pepe at break-even levels. This indicates that a bullish push could lead to significant selling pressure from these holders. However, such selling pressure might also drive upward momentum if matched by continued whale accumulation and increased demand. As a result, price movement at these levels will play a crucial role in shaping overall market sentiment. A reversal or a fake-out ahead, Pepe has formed a textbook inverse head and shoulders pattern on the daily time frame, which often precedes a bullish breakout. The pattern is taking shape right beneath a long-standing descending trend line, suggesting a breakout is imminent. Key resistance lies around 884 units, and a successful close above this level could send the price soaring toward 1,146 units. However, failure to break this neckline may lead to consolidation or a dip toward the 565-unit support zone. Why the NVT ratio spike could matter more than you think. Sentiment data reveals a sharp increase in Pepe's NVT ratio, reaching 321.77, a substantial rise from prior levels. This indicates that the network value is outpacing transaction volume growth. While such a surge might suggest overvaluation, it is often associated with accumulation phases, where transaction activity slows temporarily as holders expand their positions. As a result, the current spike may signal not weakness, but the potential for building bullish momentum. Pepe is showing strong signs of an incoming breakout. Whale accumulation, bullish chart patterns, and strategic positioning of holders all point to upward potential. While caution remains necessary until the neckline breaks, the overall signals are clear. Pepe is on the verge of a significant move, and the odds are increasingly favoring the bulls. But this isn't the only big news in crypto recently. If you want to find out the best crypto to buy now, then click the video on screen now. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on these 1000x potential altcoins.